What's up guys, it's Raymond here from Cryptotech Ireland. Today we're just going to be looking at Stellar Lumens. Got some good news in the headlines the last week there. Stripe announced that they are possibly going to use it as a payment processor, so that's looking really good for them. They've rose by about 20% in the last 3 to 4 days. We'll be looking at the prices on Binance. But first, I'm just going to talk a little bit about Stellar, and like all my videos, I'm just going to keep them short. We're just going to get straight to the points. You know, we're not going to go into depth. If you want to go in depth, you can look up Stellar Lumens yourself. Look up their website. You know, it's not hard to kind of get the information. But so, quick overview: Stellar 2014. It was a fork that came off Ripple. So a lot of you guys know Ripple. Blah blah blah. We're not going to go too much into that. Basically it's the exact same, small transaction, there are quick transaction times with small fees, you know, great for cross-border transactions, so much the same as Ripple. In fact, it is a fork off Ripple, currently trading at about 60 cent. So now is a really good time to get into Stellar Lumens, especially with the good news behind it. So Stripe announced that they weren't using Bitcoin, and they were considering using Stellar Lumens, which is really good news. I think Stellar and Ripple, that is definitely going to be a clash here somewhere. Who wins? Who knows? But it's looking really good for Stellar right now. So let's look at Binance and just have a look at some of the trending charts. Okay guys, so I'm just on my Binance here now, and we're looking at XLM, that stands for Stellar Lumens. We can see here in the 24 hours, it's up 4.75%. It's currently trading at 63 cent. It has a high trading volume of over 4,000 Bitcoin. So it's looking really good, guys. And let's pull up this chart. So we can see here, you know, this is the 18th of January, and we're up here at the 27th of January, and we're doing really well here in the last few days. You can see anytime that the high and low averages have crossed paths, that it's actually rose up. So there's plenty of green candlesticks on this chart, guys, so it's looking really good. Again, it's worth about 60 cent. So I don't see any real reason why Stellar couldn't actually surpass Ripple at this stage. I think it's 6th in the coins by a market capital, which is really good. So right now at 60 cent, it's a really good time to invest. I have so myself. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm just letting you guys know some of the news out there. It's up to yourselves to do your due diligence and kind of seek financial advice for yourself. But I'm just showing you guys what I'm doing at the moment, and that's investing in Stellar. And I think if I can double up, you know, if it goes to about 1.2 US dollars, 1.5, we'll kind of just stock the price then, and then we will see how it goes and just be ready to sell. Again, that's just because I want to make some quick money here. You know, I'm not saying that the technology isn't great. Again, just like Ripple, because all the coins are in supply, and it's not a mineable coin, and it's not a limited supply, it means that it is very hard for it to go, you know, anywhere past $5 US, you know. So, you know, if it goes to 1.5, $2, I'm happy enough. I'll sell out, or I'll stock the price, and I'll follow it upwards until I sell out. So guys, that's really all. It'd be great if you could check out the YouTube channel and make sure to like and subscribe, leave a comment. We're probably going to be do some daily competitions once we get some viewers and some more subscribers here. So there's a lot coming. And let us know if there's anything you'd like us to investigate or do a video on, anything at all. Okay guys, thank you, bye bye.